Hi, I'm Lisa, and I want to tell you about my grocery shopping trip yesterday. It was actually kind of interesting because some funny things happened. So, yesterday afternoon, I realized I had no food at home. My fridge was basically empty, just some old cheese and a bottle of water. I knew I had to go to the supermarket, so I grabbed my bag and my reusable shopping bags and headed out. The supermarket is only a 10-minute walk from my house, which is really convenient. When I got there, it was pretty crowded because it was Saturday afternoon and everyone does their shopping on weekends. I grabbed a cart and started walking around. First, I went to the produce section to get fruits and vegetables. I picked up some tomatoes, lettuce, and cucumbers for salads. I also got bananas and apples because I eat them for breakfast. The strawberries looked really good, so I decided to treat myself and bought a box of those too. Then I moved to the dairy section. I needed milk, eggs, and butter, the basics, you know? I also grabbed some yogurt because I like having it as a snack. While I was there, I saw they had a special offer on cheese, so I bought some cheddar even though it wasn't on my list. Next, I went to get some meat. I'm not a big meat eater, but I wanted to make chicken for dinner during the week. I was looking at the chicken packages when suddenly this little kid ran past me super fast and almost knocked over my cart. His mom came running after him saying sorry. It made me laugh. After that, I went to the bread aisle. I love fresh bread, and the smell was amazing. I got a loaf of whole wheat bread and some bagels. I also couldn't resist buying some cookies that were on sale. I know I shouldn't eat too many cookies, but they looked so good. Then I walked through the aisles getting other things I needed: pasta, rice, canned beans, olive oil, and some spices. I also picked up coffee because I drink it every morning, and I was almost out. Oh, and I got some chocolate because, well, everyone needs chocolate sometimes. I was almost done shopping when I realized I forgot to get cleaning supplies. So I had to go back and get dish soap and paper towels. I always forget something. That's why I should make a list before I go, but I never do. Finally, I headed to the checkout area. There were a few lines, and I tried to pick the fastest one. I got behind a woman who had just a few items, so I thought it would be quick. But then she couldn't find her credit card in her purse, and it took forever. I just stood there waiting patiently. When it was finally my turn, the cashier was really friendly. She scanned all my items and asked me how my day was going. We chatted a bit while she bagged my groceries. The total was $65, which was more than I expected, but that always happens. I paid with my card and thanked her. Then came the hard part, carrying everything home. My bags were so heavy, especially the one with the milk and all the cans. My arms were hurting by the time I got back to my apartment. I was so happy to finally put the bags down. I spent the next 20 minutes putting everything away. Fresh stuff went in the fridge, dry goods in the pantry, and I put the chocolate in a special place where I wouldn't eat it all at once. Now my kitchen was full of food, and I felt prepared for the week ahead.